What a great networking event. I just finished up going to a women's group, and it was a wonderful speaker. She is a time management coach, and she was really wonderful. And I met some really great ladies today. And I just wanted to give a quick shout out to the Mesa Chamber of Commerce. They did a wonderful job. It was at the Holiday Inn in Mesa, right off of Country Club. And I just wanted to also say how important it is to network with like-minded people that are trying to grow their business and they're trying to connect with the community. So if you have an opportunity to ever go to any type of networking events, connect with business owners, get yourself out there, this is a great way to do that, where you can really get to know people, get to know them on an intimate level, and get away from the computer, get away from social media, and get out there and do some belly-to-belly meeting of people, shaking hands, and learning about other people's businesses and about their personal lives. So anyway, that's just my little tidbit for the day. I hope everyone's staying cool out there. It's over 100 degrees, but make it a great day, make it a great rest of the week, and we'll talk to you soon.